right here.
It's your camp kitchen.
Yep, there's your sink.
And your burner.
And your burner. She got 2 burners. That's nice.
Lots of prep area, prep store, prep.
Prep area.
It even has a shower in it. Yeah. This actually has a lot of storage.
Yeah, I'm noticing. Oh, they have button pusher?
Yeah.
Nice. I like that.
And then this actually goes all the way across the front.
Oh, you can put lots of stuff up here.
Yeah.
Stainless steel right there.
Slides over.
Slides over
Yeah.
this, so you can push it in.
That's what I
It's
was
all
saying.
covered.
And it has the articulating hitch.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Lots of storage. But look at the storage over here.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Yeah, this is definitely the rugged.
Oh, that. Even more.
This thing has a ton of storage.